Hey everyone, it's Proctor here. It is currently 2 o'clock in the morning, and it is minus 38 before a wind chill. So we're gonna see if the BMW starts, and we're gonna see if the Honda starts. It's actually freaking cold out here. The lock's not even. I think the lock might be frozen. I think the lock's actually frozen. Yeah, the lock froze. Hang on. The lock's frozen. Wow. Shit. Crap. Oh, I can't reach the door handle. There it goes. Yep, the lock was frozen. So, let's see if it goes. This is gonna be interesting. Oh, like a champ. It says minus 40. Oh yeah, it's cold. Look at that misfire. Yeah, it misses when it's cold. Holy. Let's see if the Honda goes. We all know the Honda has problems in the cold. The alternator is new. So is the battery, so it should start, knock on wood. Wow. Well, it went. It's chilly out. This thing's having real trouble right now with the idle. Wow. She's a chilly one.